Hi folks, the review fella here. So when creating videos, I'm looking for the best quality possible without the budget of a Hollywood movie. In fact, I usually have like no budget at all. And part of the process is getting the sound right. And to do that, I use a few things such as good audio software like Audacity, a good mic like the Rode Video Micro, and a good voice recorder like the Zoom H1N. And importantly, a set of decent professional monitoring headphones like the Audio Technica M40X, so I can listen back and see just how strange my voice actually sounds. These are tuned flat across the frequency range for incredibly accurate sound, and these are now my go-to headphones for any video production I do. In the box you'll get some very basic instructions and of course the headphones themselves. They are of plastic construction, fairly light, and do have a professional quality feel about them. The ear cups are padded and comfortable and do provide some ambient noise block, but this is passive rather than active. They also rotate to give a comfortable over-ear fit. And the headphones collapse for easy storage and carrying. I do find my ears getting a little warm if I wear them for a long time though. The headband is padded and comfortable and fully adjustable. There is plenty of room for expansion, so if you have a fat head like me, then no problem, but they won't feel too big on a small head either. Frequency response is 15Hz to 24kHz, sensitivity at 98 decibels, and have 40mm drivers. Also in the box you'll get this handy storage bag. Inside you'll find a 3m straight cable, a 1.2m to 3m coiled cable, a 3.5mm adapter and a 6.3mm adapter. The headphones have their own mount, so you'll need to use one of these cables or a compatible one. I'd have liked a shorter cable, but that's just my preference. So how do they sound? As already mentioned, these are monitoring headphones, so a neutral sound, flat across the entire frequency range, and therefore give you amazingly accurate sound, which is exactly what I need in my video production, for example. The bass is good and not too heavy, mids are very good, and the treble is nice and crisp. These are ideal for professional studio tracking and mixing and DJ monitoring. At the time of making this video, they were around $120 or £80, but can often be found for around $100, and I think they are a bargain at that price. Of course, you can get better if you pay much more, but I'm not sure you would need anything more than these, depending on your requirements. They are my go-to headphones for video production, and I can't imagine using anything else. They're good quality, sound great, and are comfortable. I highly recommend them. Just note that your ears may get a little warm if you wear them in a hot studio or for a long time. And also note the cable mount, which requires a specific connection. Check out the links in the description to see the rest of my video production gear, should that interest you. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe, and I very much hope to see you soon.